I like this lighting. Yeah. Hold on. No, we're live. We're live. I'm trying to fix the lighting. If you see fancy pictures in the background, this is not my normal setup. I'm actually currently working on getting my mom's YouTube channel started. So I am at my. Oh, it disappeared. Okay, well, let me fix this light. It's too brutal. Hold on. No, whoa, I see two people are in the house. Let me know who you are. Let me know who you are. Nah, that's crazy. That's a little better. All right, I'll just go with this. Nde wonu. Let me know who you are. Let me know who you are. Who is all here today? Once we get, this is, I'm not gonna be able to focus with everybody looking at me. You guys have to go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
This is not working because this you need to,
All right, so I'm really gonna try to make this work. I'm in a very crowded house, hanging out. Hey, Rasan. Is it Rasan or Rashawn? I think I've asked you that before, and I always say Rasan, but I feel like it's supposed to be Rashawn. Ndewo, all smiles be. Ndewo, ndewo, ndewo. All right, we're going to go ahead and begin once we get 10 people in here. As always, my name is Derek O'Father-in-law with the Medicine Shell. For those of you who are new to the channel, I speak about Odinala, Igbo, which is Igbo cosmology, spirituality, ancestral thought. You're saying it right, Rasan. Okay, Odinala. So Igbo ancestral cosmology and thoughts. Trying to look at me. But yeah, what was I gonna say? We are going to begin once we get 10 people in here. I'm going to try to make this work. I'm in a crowded vicinity. I'm a distractible person. I can be very distracted. Ndewo News and Facts. Good to see you. Good to see you. Do. We got 5 people. Once we get 10 people in here, we will begin. Professor Ofo Ado. You mean Ofo? Maybe it's short for but it's all good. The love is understood. And then, well, we are at 6. Once we get, no, what did I say? One more. 10 people in here, we will begin. My dog? Yes. Yes. And then, well, all right. Today is open topic. Ask me anything and I'll answer. As always, I will be here as long as you guys have questions. Once the questions run out, I go. They usually run out at about, like, almost always 2 hours, 40 seconds. 2 hours, would I say that right? 2 hours, 2:40, yeah, 2 hour 40 seconds. So, but we will see where it goes today. We have 7 in here. It might go for 2 minutes. If you guys if I'm in here for 2 minutes and I don't see any questions, I'm out. So, those who are new to the channel, or maybe you've been here for a while and you haven't joined yet, the absolute best way to support the channel is the Patreon community at patreon.com/themedicineshell. All of my patrons have like full access to my research library. So for years, I've been reading books, articles, journals, different things written by like researchers, Dibias, Nzes, all these different things. And I've collected all of them. And I just said, let me make it available to our Patreon community, The Village. Anybody who's in the, any villagers, by the way, let us know if you're in here. Villagers, let me know if you're in here. But yeah, so I said, let me make everything available to our Patreon community. So there's over 300 some different books on Odinala and Igbo spirituality, ancestral spirituality. It goes into different topics like divination, Afa, Obe, all these different things. We also have a school. I'm not trying to think of the best way to say it. We have a school for those who are interested in learning how to become a Dibia, how to do Dibia work. It is www.kedu.me. We are signing up for the class that starts in September. Everybody that is signing up right now is signing up for the September class. We have limited seats. There are limited seats. There are about 4 seats left since last time I checked. So if you're interested in signing up, try to sign up within the next 2 weeks. That class fills up very fast, right? And so forth. So that class is taught by a Dibia. There is a level 1, level 2. I am actually, because of the class, I was actually inspired to start learning Afa, to start learning divination. And so I've been learning the Afa language for the past, honestly, all summer. Really, I've been learning it all summer. But it's really intensified in the past few months, and I've been doing my own Afa to have my own questions answered, and the results have been blowing my mind. I don't know. I was thinking about like maybe I should do it here, like because I need to practice anyway. So maybe I should do it here for you guys and do alpha and so forth. Like I said, I'm just learning. Nandi, can you turn the volume off on that? Yeah. So right now I'm just learning, and yeah. So 8 people. We have 2 more people. We're gonna go ahead and begin. Can you elaborate on family ancestral pointing in the direction your chi wants us to go? Rasan, that'll be the first question I answer once we get 10 people in here. So if you're in the chat or if you're in the chat already, go ahead and share this. This feels strange. Like I'm not. This is not my normal setting, so it doesn't like something's off. But hopefully we'll pick up. But if you are, yeah, so we can get this to 10 people. Go ahead and share this with as many people as possible. Post this in the group chat. Post this on TikTok. Post this on Instagram. Post it on Twitter. Post it on Facebook and the Messenger. Okay, get the people in here that you believe or you know would be interested in the topics I discuss. I discuss ancestral cosmology, spirituality, and thought about different things. So we are one more person. We need to get one more person. And you know what? There's something you guys are doing that's making me mad. And I'm not understanding it, right? Because I got 9 people in here, and for some reason, maybe you guys know what I'm going to say. Maybe you guys know what I'm going to say. I got 9 people in here, and for some reason, all smiles be. I can always count on you. I can always count on you. All smiles be. All smiles be. I hope you're one of the 2 people that hit like. Hit the like button, hit the like button, hit the like button. I always want to make sure it's even. We always want to make sure it's even. If we got 8 people now, we want to get 8 likes. If we get 10 people, we'll have 10 likes in there. We're at 4. Let's see if we can get the next 4. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that thumb. Thank you so much. I think names are super important, so I need to get it right. Yes, it's Ofo Derengwa. So Ofo Derengwa. The Ofo is within the child, or the Ofo is with the child, right? That's what the name means. It is my great-grandfather's name. That's my great-grandfather's name, who reincarnated as my father, as my dad. So we had 9. We're back at 8. No. That's grandpa. That's my grandpa reincarnated as you. Oh. Yeah, but your grandpa Eric reincarnated from Ofader. All right, we got 8 to 6. 8 to 6. You once talked about Agon's sword in one of your videos. Please, what is the name? Okay, I'll be answering that to the best of my ability once we get 10 people in here. So send this to the group chat. Send this to the group chat. If you're on iPhone, press the X under the... Oh, okay. All right. Oh, I didn't know it was different for iPhone. Hit the likes. Hit the likes. We got 2 more people we're waiting on. I don't know what I did to you guys. Those 2 people that have not hit the like yet. But let's go ahead and hit that like before I headbutt the screen. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, the like counter also does not load accurate for everyone because mine says like 1. Yeah, no, YouTube's got some things to work out, but it's a big operation. I don't blame them. All right, we need 1 more person. If we get 1 more person in here, we're gonna go ahead and begin. 1 more person in here. We'll go ahead and begin. Let's go. But as I was saying, so yeah, if you're interested in signing up for the traditional medicine class, it starts in September. Those of you who are interested in learning Igbo this year, who have made a vow to yourself, I want the people that have promised themselves they're going to learn Igbo this year. We are starting classes at www.kedu.me at the end of the month, in the end of August. We still, for Igbo 1, we have 3 seats left. So if you're interested in joining Kedu for Igbo 1 this year, sign up, www.kedu.me. We have 3 seats left. We're beginning in August. If you're looking to learn Igbo, everything that I'm saying, I have this research library. It has hundreds of books and so forth. But my number 1 resource for learning all of these things is the language itself. You learn the language. A lot of what I talk about unlocks itself. A lot of things I haven't even mentioned get unlocked as well. A lot of things that I don't even know will be unlocked. It's all embedded in the language, right? I've also noticed that when people, hey, we have hit 10 people, he said. All right, let us go ahead and begin, okay? All right. If you're on iPhone, press the X. Okay, cool. We have begin. Let us begin. Kaibido. Okay, I'm going to break Audrey for us. Okay. All right. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. Okay. Kaibido. Okike keruwa. Ala wala. Ala nne mmadụ na nne mmụọ. Ala na-enye ndụ. Na-enye nke ọma dị n'ụwa. Ụmụ gị abịala. Anyị ji obiọma na-ekele ụmụ ndị eke, ndị orie, ndị afọ na ndị nkwọ. Chukwu obiọma na-ekele ndị mbụ na ndị egede, ndị mmadụ na ndị mmụọ. Anyị ji obiọma na-ekele okike kere anyị n'ụwa, nke na-enye anyị uche, nke na-enye anyị nke ọma dị n'ụwa, nke enyere anyị ije ụwa anyị, nke na-esoro anyị mgbe anyị na-aga, nke na-egozi anyị ma ndị anyị na-afụ taa ma ndị ọkpụ na ndị ichie. Ọwụ obiọma ka anyị ji na-ekele gị. Anyị bụ otu obi, otu uche, otu ụzọ, otu ije, otu aka, otu mmadụ, otu mmụọ. Otu aka ọ ga-adị na eke, n'orie, na afọ, na nkwọ. Ise. Let's begin. Let's go ahead and start. All right, so I already had 2 questions on deck. Let me go ahead and at least break this Audrey a bit. I was saying earlier that I'm learning to do divination, so I might actually start doing it on these lives. You guys let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing. All right, let me go back. Okay. So the first question, can you elaborate on family ancestral pointing in the direction your chi wants us to go? If you can elaborate on your question, I would appreciate it. I'm going to try to answer what I think your question is to the best of my ability. Okay, so when an individual is born, their chi selects the family that they will come from. It's typically the family you were in the previous life as well, right? But if you want to understand your chi, it is impossible to understand your chi without understanding your family, without understanding your family, and without accepting the fact that you are a branch in a tree when it comes to family. You are not a tree on its own. You are a page in a book. You are not. Hold on, come on. You are a page in a book. You are not an entire book by itself, right? In order for you to understand what is happening in the middle page, which you are, I wish I could find a book and show you guys some visuals. In order for you to understand what is happening in the middle page, which you are, you have to understand what happened on the pages prior, right? Because when we say chi, there is a very individual nature to chi, but your chi is a creator that is, what's the best way to put this? Your chi is a creator that it is not just working in your present life, right? It is not just working in your present life, and it's not just working through you. So you as a person, you have a chi, and everything it took to create you, which is your family, is also tied to your chi, as well as everything that you will create, such as this one behind me right here, so and so forth. So to understand your chi, the big part of it is understanding yourself, embracing yourself, knowing your truth, and so forth. But a bigger part, or let me say an understated part, is also understanding yourself in the context of your family, in the context of your community, because it's all one and the same thing, as you'll come to find, right? It is all one and the same thing, as you'll come to find. In order for me to understand what kind of tree I am dealing with, if I look at the tree, the branches, it'll tell me something. If I look at the roots, it'll tell me something. If I look at these, what do you call that? The stalk, it'll tell me something. And if you look at the leaves, it'll tell you something as well. All of those things will point to what tree you are looking at. And that tree as a whole is the chi. So one of the things you'll notice is every family has its own chi, right? Every family has its own nature. Every family has its own essential truth. Every group of people have their own chi, and so forth. So the chi of your family is going to reflect your own chi and vice versa. At the same time, the chi of your family is going to show itself in the nature of your family, right? In the nature of your family. Now, I can go back several generations in my family, and I see very recurring traits in my own family, right? I see traits that recur over and over again, and that tells me something. Ancestrally, we would also understand that because it's the same chi that, or the family is tied, the family of the chi is tied to the family of the individual. Oftentimes you'd have families with that understand their own nature very well, and so for example that whole family will be like invested in one specific craft, like one specific thing, because that's what their chi brings them into the world to do. Some of them will have like an animal, right? Some families have an animal where as a family, we don't kill this animal because this animal is our guardian and so forth. This animal guides us as our guardian, that kind of thing. So yeah, it's a really interesting thing. I can go on and on about it. I hope I answered your question. I am trying my hardest to focus despite the battle my daughter's putting up. Let's go. We talked about the alcohol. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, no, somebody asked a question. News and facts is a question you had asked about. Okay. You once spoke about Agun's sword in one of the videos. Please, what is the Igbo name for it if possible? Share a mythological story about it. Okay, so I don't remember the Igbo name for it, unfortunately, because we don't use it. Like, we don't have anything like it in my area. I don't remember the Igbo name for it. But I know that like Onitsha people use it. There's different people that use it. It's that sword that it's got two faces. I mean, every sword has two faces, but like it's like fat. It's very fat and wide and goes out. The lighting on this is crazy. Let me fix the lighting. Hold on. I don't. No, I can't do that. No, no, no. Is this the same lighting I just had? I think this is a little bit better. Okay, so I'm keeping this one in mind.
No, do a rainbow.
I'm not doing a rainbow. I look like belly. Should I do the belly? This is diabolical. This is even more diabolical somehow. Nope. That's too bright. I might just go outside. I'm not feeling any of these lights.
How about that?
I think I should just go outside. What? Okay, wait, back to this one. Hold on, guys. This is crazy. People are leaving this. Like, yeah, I'm good on this bullshit. You know what? I was gonna say, let me go live on Sunday, but I said, no, let me try. Hola. No. Let's sit down. Good job. Okay. Be nice. There you go. All right. So I was gonna go live on Sunday, but I said, let me just do it. But I might have to just go live on Sunday. This is not gonna work out. There's just too much going on. There, okay. Anyways, yeah. So the Agun sword, it's like a two-faced sword. It's like fat. I don't remember the Igbo name for it, but a lot of like royals have it, right? So like the Obi of Onitsha has them. Very famously, the Oba of Benin has one, and so forth. They call it Agni or something. They spell it with an E. It's always called Agun, and so forth. So, but I don't remember the name of it. And I don't know any stories about it. At the moment, I don't know any stories about it, but if I figure out something, that'll be great. Mythological story. It's not like a weapon. It's not a weapon sword, by the way. It's like a ceremonial sword. The light counter doesn't load. Accurate. Okay, we already passed that. Arobinagon and Omomo. Okay, that's a really good question. Okay. So, Arobinagon, let's think about it this way. Arobinagon is like the consciousness of Allah, of the earth. Arobinagon is the consciousness of the earth. Arobinagon also goes by the name Neagun and Muagun. So Arobinagon is the consciousness. Omomo is the power. Omomo is the power of the earth, right? Omomo is like, think about how the Ikenga is tied with the masculine. Omomo is tied with the feminine. Guys, I might have to just go live on Sunday. Let's just do that. Hey guys, I'm gonna go live on Sunday. This is not gonna work. My redirected me to you. Don Ralph, thank you so much. My current situation is not gonna allow me to finish this live. So let's do this. I'm gonna go live on Sunday at this exact same time. I will be in my normal place with my normal setup and normal lights, and I can focus a little bit better. This has been a struggle. So hold on, wait. I have a queen about power, twins born today. Deep secret about it. Don Raphael, okay, message me so we can talk, or just come back on Sunday at this time. So it says all good. So it says please, okay. All right, guys, we will talk. Uno gade, uno geto. Call below new tiaka. I got to know why. I got to do it twice. Neke, no real. Now for now, quo. He said, all right, guys, take care. Yeah.